Good morning, student. How do you do? Fine? I am fine. Students, you have studied the chapters Chemical Reaction and Equations. Last grade, study the types of chemical reactions. 4 types of chemical reactions. One is combination reaction, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, and double displacement reactions. These reactions and type of reaction is the most important in questions asked in SSC board exam. Today's study endothermic and exothermic process and reaction. What is by endothermic and what is by the exothermic reactions? Used by two test tube. Take one test tube, a potassium nitrate, and another test tube used by the sodium hydroxide. This test tube used by sodium hydroxide and this test tube solution by sodium nitrate. Potassium nitrate, sorry. Potassium nitrate. Sodium hydroxide and potassium nitrate solution used by two thermometers. One involved into the sodium hydroxide solution, another is a potassium nitrate solution, and count the temperature. Now 1 minute, only 1 minute, the constant thermometer, and then temperature already increased. Just like temperature is here, the increase this sodium hydroxide and temperature decrease by potassium nitrate. So temperature increase by sodium hydroxide and the temperature decrease by potassium nitrate. This temperature is 83 degrees Celsius and this temperature is the 20 degrees Celsius. What is meant by difference to chemical reactions? The temperature decrease this reaction known as the endothermic reaction, and the temperature are increased this reaction known as the exothermic reactions. Most important points in this are two important points, just like for example is called as the process. In this case are the most important point. One is called as the विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, दोन प्रकारच्या अभिक्रिया आपण इथं अभ्यासल्या. एकाला उष्मादायी अभिक्रिया म्हणतो आणि एकाला उष्माग्राही अभिक्रिया म्हणतो. उष्मादायी अभिक्रिया म्हणजे काय? जी अभिक्रिया घडत असताना उष्णता बाहेर टाकली जाते त्या अभिक्रियेला उष्मादायी अभिक्रिया असे म्हणतात. जसं मी तुम्हाला एक उदाहरण दिलंय, सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईडचं सोल्युशन एका परीक्षा नळीमध्ये घेतलंय आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तापमापी ठेवली. तापमापीचं सुरुवातीचं तापमान 30 अंश सेल्सिअस होतं, पण जेव्हा ती सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईडच्या द्रावणामध्ये मी ठेवली ते तापमान जवळपास 83 डिग्री सेल्सिअस वर गेलेलं आहे. म्हणजे या अभिक्रियेतून उष्णता बाहेर टाकली जाते. म्हणजे ही अभिक्रिया आहे उष्मादायी अभिक्रिया. दुसरं एक उदाहरण घेतलं होतं विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ते पोटॅशियम नायट्रेट या तापमापीचं सुरुवातीचं टेम्परेचर होतं 30 अंश सेल्सिअस. जेव्हा ही सोडियम नायट्रेटच्या द्रावणामध्ये टाकली तेव्हा याचं टेम्परेचर 20 अंश सेल्सिअस झालंय. म्हणजेच ही अभिक्रिया आहे उष्माग्राही. म्हणजे या अभिक्रियेमध्ये उष्णता ग्रहण केली जाते, म्हणून त्याला उष्माग्राही अभिक्रिया म्हणतात. त्याच्यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याला महत्त्वाचा एक मुद्दा अभ्यासायचा आहे. तुम्ही बघितलं असेल की बर्फ आहे, बर्फ, आईस कन्वर्ट इनटू द वॉटर. नाउ हीट आर प्रोव्हाइडेड, वॉटर कन्वर्ट इनटू द ice, heat absorbs. Most important points, just like now endothermic and exothermic reactions there are exchange of heat in chemical reaction. For example, calcium carbonate, just like the calcium carbonate, this calcium carbonate provide to heat, and then the heat calcium to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. These reactions known as the endothermic reactions. Another is calcium oxide. Add to water and sequence to form a calcium hydroxide and heat is produced. These reactions known as the exothermic reactions. Students, second points, the most important points, factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions. Now, the 5 points affecting the chemical reaction. One is called as the nature of the reactants. Another is size of the particles of reactants. Third is concentrations of the reactants. Fourth is temperature of the reactions, and last is catalyst. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, रासायनिक अभिक्रियेचा दर हा वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टीवर ठरतो आणि त्यासाठी आपल्याला काही मुद्दे अभ्यासायचे आहेत. जस्ट लाईक फॉर एक्झाम्पल डेली लाईफ, कुकिंग गॅस स्टार्ट the burning and ingestions. Second upon heat articles to the rustings, any iron articles. Erosions of the rock and take place to form a soil. And the alcohol is formed mixing yeast in glucose. The infections form of the additives, baking soda into the test tube, the concentrate dilute SCS, and white precipitate form the iodine dilute sulfur acids and the barium chlorides. 6 example. These example, which examples reaction is fast and these reactions reaction is slow. What is mean by most important points in these reactions? The factors affecting rate of the chemical and just example. Just like the example of the zinc metal add to hydrochloric acid are observed many air bubbles are formed and gas is produced. This gas known as the hydrogen gas. This gas known as the hydrogen gas. Students, another examples are most importance used by zinc plus hydrochloric acid to form a hydrogen gas. Bubbles are formed. This gas known as the hydrogen gas. Another is most importance. Heat are produced. Most important points are used by the another use dilute hydrochloric acid. Just like air bubble are formed, but observe this reaction is fast and this reaction is slow. What is meant by? One is zinc, another is aluminum. Reaction is fast, reaction is slow. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जस्ताचा तुकडा एका परीक्षा नळीमध्ये घेतला आणि अॅल्युमिनियमचा तुकडा एका परीक्षा नळीमध्ये घेतला. दोन्हीमध्ये हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड टाकलेलं आहे, पण दोन्हीतून हायड्रोजन वायू तयार होतो. पण हायड्रोजन वायू तयार होत असताना एकामधून हायड्रोजन वायू जास्त प्रमाणात तयार होतो आणि दुसऱ्यामधून हायड्रोजन वायू हा कमी प्रमाणात तयार होतो. हे इथं तुम्ही बघू शकता. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ आपल्याला असं घेता येते की रासायनिक अभिक्रियेचा जो दर आहे, तो रासायनिक अभिक्रियेचा दर याच्यामध्ये जो फरक आहे, या फरकाला आपण काय म्हणतो, तर त्याला अभिक्रियाकारकाचं स्वरूप म्हणतो. आणि तुम्हाला माहित आहे की रासायनिक अभिक्रियेच्या दरावर परिणाम करणारे काही घटक पण आहेत आणि त्याची माहिती आपण याच्यामध्ये घेणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट्स, नेचर ऑफ द रिएक्टन्स. नेचर ऑफ द रिएक्टन्स, just like the calcium carbonates used by calcium carbonates, just like, and add now hydrochloric acid, add now concentrate hydrochloric acid. Reaction is fast. Another used by calcium carbonates, just like calcium carbonate, but use dilute hydrochloric acid. This dilute hydrochloric acid reaction is slow. What is meant by? One test is used by concentrate, another is dilute. Reaction is the increase and another test tube reaction is a decrease. Size of the particles are reactants. One is small piece of calcium carbonate, one test tube, another is the big pieces of calcium carbonate. Second point, the concentration of reactants. Which reactants are used? Reactants are used. Just like these the concentrations, most important points. And fourth point, temperature of the reactions. And last upon the catalyst. What is meant by catalyst? Just like used by potassium chlorate and provided to heat and decompositions. Two types of the product, one is potassium chloride, another is oxygen. And most importance, the substance in whose presence the rate of a chemical reactions change without the causing any chemical changes, it called as the catalyst, is called as the catalyst. Most important points, students. Now next point you are studying oxidations and the reductions next friends. Thank you students.